Do you want more leads and sales and automate your business? And it's got to be easy to learn. Let me introduce BizStackPro. It's the only one tool, one box that you've got everything inside it to grow your business fast. So, running a business online is really hard. You've got 5 different tools just to capture, follow up, and close leads, and you get really confused. You're paying more for platforms that don't work together. So you're missing out on leads, basically. So what could be the solution? Let me think. Well, basically, you don't know which tools you need. You need more leads, more time. It's got to be easy to learn, and you need a system that's reliable and it works while you sleep. So, meet BizStackPro. It's an all-in-one box where all the tools that you need are already there. It's built for small businesses, coaches, agencies. You can actually start your own agency. There's lots of training in there. Create your own courses, and it's for the ultimate affiliate marketers. So it's one simple platform to run your whole business. Meet Shelley Turner. She founded BizStackPro and she keeps giving. We have 3 trainings a week and extra bonuses, which I'll show you in a minute. So, BizStackPro replaces your website builder, like Wix or WordPress, funnels, like ClickFunnels is like $300 a month. This is far, far cheaper. So you have to pay for ClickFunnels, emails, calendars, CRM, live chats, and school, for example. So, what are BizStackPro's core features? We capture and convert leads. So we've got unlimited funnels, websites, courses, surveys, quizzes, contacts, communities. Communities is a really good one. Media storage is free. I'm not sure if it's 1 gigabyte. You've got two-way texting and email, call tracking, and you can voice drop. You can book appointments automatically. You've got unlimited calendars and it's on automatic. So you confirm your meeting, remind the meeting, you've got an AI receptionist. And no, it takes ages to get a meeting with, say, Carl in Canada because he's on mountain time and you think it's 8 hours, but it's 7. You waste so much time back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. If you've got a calendar, you know what I mean? Close more sales. We've got unlimited pipeline views and it's drag and drop. We've got unlimited automations, workflows, and follow ups. So you can do your Facebook page and your Instagram and your emails, AI chat and lead nurturing. This is so cool, guys. You can host courses, so you can upload lessons, you can drip the access, and it's really easy to deliver and actually make. It's only $97 a month. One tool alone, one funnel builder can cost you 300. And then if you've got Aweber and or Get Response, you've got, I don't know, 47 a month on top of that, or 97 a month on top of that. You have to pay for your calendars. Do you see what I mean? Let me show you the bonuses. This is just a snapshot of what we get. The ADA bundle. If you wanted to, you could offer the ADA bundle is when you are disabled and you can't read the website, and it only takes 3 minutes to do, and you can charge hundreds for it and monthly fees. You can give out vacation vouchers, holiday vouchers. She's giving you unlimited access to tools like HeyGen, and I can't remember the names of all of them, but there's chatbots, pictures, and videos in there. The best bit is Digital Product Rockstar. If you want to build your own course, if you want to become a major course player in Warrior Plus, that's the course you need. We've got apps as well. She's going to teach us soon how to build our own apps. These are just priceless. This is free with BizStackPro. So if you're stuck, go onto the chat, say, I can't do this, and they'll sort you out in 12 languages. This is one of the snapshots of there's Shelley and Chris and me and all the gang. So come and join us because this training is priceless. Click on the link down below, create your account, and build something amazing with BizStackPro. So this is a 30-day money back guarantee. You can cancel any time. There's zero risk. But let me tell you, it's 30% recurring commissions. So for instance, you've got 10 in and say it's $30, that's 300 quid a month. Dollars, sorry. And if they get 10 in, you've got an extra 200 a month. But if you've got 10 in, you get 10 in. You know what I mean? But you don't have to recruit, but you have to share it because it's brilliant. It's residual passive monthly income and people love to use it. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and I'll see you inside.